Fans, welcome to Mero True Life Story. Please don't forget to subscribe in terms of my YouTube channel, Mero True Life Story. God bless you. My lovely fans, when a woman is jobless, she become a rag that everybody use to clean a dirty place. Blessing Meedoshe elder sister, which gave Yo a deadline to pay his money. Yes, so she even went as far as using military men, soldiers, to go hijack Yo for movie location. When the soldiers got there, they told Yo, say, this is the message. Before this day, return the money. Now Yo want form Odogu. Now one of the soldier forget his left hand for Yo face. Even Yo ear was deaf for 30 minutes when soldier take forget his left hand for Yo face. My lovely fans, after the soldiers they go, now Yo call his papa. Tell his papa say he won't go buy. He want to buy himself. He cannot continue like this, because wetin they see, he pass am. Now his papa ask and say, Ogini Kwanu. Now he say, Blessing don't give am deadline. Say make he pay am this money. If he not pay, they go carry am straight to court. From court to Kirikiri. No police station, no judging case. Straight to court, from court to Kirikiri. They say from court to Kirikiri. Now grandpapa come tell you say, may you no worry. He go talk to the Aligwe family. Grandpapa went to the Aligwe family. He received the greatest shock of his life. The Aligwe family told grandpapa, the Aligwe family told grandpapa that if Yo refuse to pay that money, they go put forces join that of Blessing to make sure Yo not see head take come out from inside Kirikiri. Hey. Now their grandpapa know say matter don't serious. Nobody listened to him. Nobody cared to hear his own side of the story. They just told him that if Yo refuse to pay, they will personally use their connection to connect with that of Blessing and make sure say Yo not see head take come out for Kirikiri. They promise him. Now grandpapa run kitikiti, run katakata. Go call Yo. Say matter don't pass them. See wahala. The Aligwe family refuse to hear abeg. My lovely fans. Now papa and pikin, two of them come sit down, plan to use Juju Ekwensu. When a woman is useless to herself, when a woman have nothing doing than to dey lay egg every Eke market day, the whole family will look at her like yeyebility woman. Juju Ekwensu don't know the name the Edoshe family are calling her. How will she know anyway? She not get shame. Because if she get shame, she for know the kind eye where they say they look at. As long as she don't know the eye where they say they look at, she not get shame. My lovely fans. Hey. Now papa and pikin plan together. After the plan finish, now grandpapa go call Juju Ekwensu. Call Juju Ekwensu say, Juju Ekwensu, the wahala wey dey ground so, now you cause am. Now you cause this problem. They tell you say may you dey inside darkness, you say you won't come light. His son Yo was able to hide you from his wife for years. His son Yo was able to hide the pregnancy till you even born that pikin. Nobody heard about it. But your desperation carry you come out for social media. Now see where you end up yourself. Since when you did the social media, no be so drag that they drag you. Now you even they beg, they say, no, don't put the children, remove the children. I wish you hide your head. May Edoche for not find out say you dey exist. You for still dey enjoy your life. When you were in darkness, when nobody know you, were you not enjoying yo? Were you not enjoying your life? Since you decided to become public people, you want to be public. How are things going? You did not only spoil things for yourself, you also spoil things for them. Now, blessing me Edoche sister. Say all the money where you give you where you the chop. Say make una call return. Now Juju Ekwesu say you say they will talk to blessing. Now grandpapa say there is no talking. No. At this point, he and you don't conclude. Say make Juju Ekwesu render a public apology to me Edoche. Hey, you see the way they see Juju Ekwesu? Very non-city human being. They don't value her, they don't respect her. What is there to respect? You don't know how many times when grandpapa don't come outside, insult Juju Ekwesu publicly. Not be every insult be you dey kolo, you dey metus. No. There are some words that are worse than insults. Grandpapa Pete referred to Juju Ekwesu as infested firewood. He also went as far as saying that yo pick her like a low show for road. Go marry. Aye. And still, this woman still dey shooked. How will they respect her? There is no atom of respect for her. Matter don't hold grandpapa's son for money wey go chop wey no fit pay. Now they want to use the available non-sensitive woman wey no get value for herself. They say she should come out publicly and apologize to me Edoche. Maybe if she apologize, blessing might go calm down. Because according to grandpapa, before Juju Ekwesu carry a wahala on social media, come dey show herself as yo pick up girlfriend. They say blessing never ever ask yo to pay her a dime. That money blessing has forgotten about it. She don't even care about the money. It was all because of Juju Ekwesu. Now he make blessing come rise up this money again. So for that reason, they say, Juju Ekwesu, you must render a public apology to me Edoche. Now Juju Ekwesu say that one go hard though. She no fit do public apology. She no fit do public apology. How is she go? What is she going to tell her fans? How is she going to present herself? Juju Ekwesu say she no fit. Now grandpapa say if you can't do it, that house for Abuja, pack your load and leave the house. Tell you to go and look for a place for you. Now use the money rent Abuja house. Hey, what we will not saw and see on social media. Grandpapa say make Juju Ekwesu carry a load and leave Abuja house with immediate effect. Say unless Juju Ekwesu do a public apology to me Edoche, they want to save their son using Juju Ekwesu. If to say Juju Ekwesu na working class lady, when he give gap to born children, raise herself, give herself honor, before grandpapa go say, come and render public apology, he go first crash his head. But see the way they are using Juju Ekwesu like rag. Hey, to fear aqua. Now they want to use her to cover up your debts. Grandpapa say if Juju Ekwesu beg, maybe blessing might go soften small. Because now that Juju Ekwesu they provoke blessing. Now because of Juju Ekwesu, now blessing say you must pay her the money. Now you Juju Ekwesu look up, look grand. Come tell grandpapa say this thing hard though. Grandpapa say he don't tell you. You see that you do it or pack out of Abuja. Make them not say you know they know how they want to do, how they want to beg blessing. Now grandpapa tell us say you they call fans. The fans how much they get what they won't give you. Make you take help you say to matter. But they compose Juju Ekwesu. Now Juju Ekwesu go call him mama. Tell him mama say see what they happen. Hey. Na Juju Ekwesu mama say make Juju Ekwesu not try am. Make she not do any public apology. Make she not try am. If she try am, I will not finish. Juju Ekwesu look up, look ground. Na Juju Ekwesu go do private apology. He come apologize. As I dey talk to her, so she apologize. She come put am for video record. Come go give am to grandpapa. Tell grandpapa say she no fit do public one. But you see this private one, she can do it. Now grandpapa and yo, two of them come sit down, they come say na true. May the first send this one, go give me Edochie. Maybe if they send this one, go give me Edochie, their mind could still stay soften small towards you debt when they when you they owe them. Now so Juju Ekwesu record, video record. This woman wona they see so. This woman not get shame. She not get shame. Na very ability woman. When I hear say Juju Ekwesu true went ahead to do a private video record apologizing to me Edochie because of your debt when he dey owe blessing. Now there I know say this woman not get shame. Chai, no dignity in her. No dignity. If you hear what she even said in the video recording, according to what they talk, this woman just sell herself. Remember, they talk, they go say, he and Juju Ekwesu not get anything. They be content creator. Content creator now, only she by herself record evidence go give me Edochie. Say they won't beg. They say for the video recording, she was telling me Edochie that me Edochie should please forgive her. That if they will rewind the hand of the time, she will never be here. The last thing she will do is to destroy somebody's home. She said, I know I destroyed your home. I know I caused you pains. It was out of murmurity. She was not thinking straight. She was confused with too much many advice in her head. She have come to realize that she offended you. She have come to realize that she caused you pains. May Edochie please have mercy on her. Forgive her. Forgive her. You did not do anything. The whole fault is on her. Now she do everything. Una forgive you. Make una forgive her. A lot of things where this woman talk, I not fit explain all. She said a lot of things, exposing herself to me Edochie. After she don't talk all these many things, he can't go give grandpapa. Grandpapa can't post this thing, go give me Edochie. Of Juju Ekwesu apologizing. This one not be say voice recording, video recording. Now she do. They can't go give me Edochie. Me Edochie see and she throw it down for one corner. Because me Edochie already know these people. Say they be 419. You know what they call? They call on them 419. Now they be. She know that there is nothing they do for free. When they are coming to you, they always come with a mission. Me Edochie already know that these people have a mission. She pretended. You know what it be pretend? Me Edochie come pretend as if she too, she not know wetin dey happen. She pretend as if she not even see the video. They carry this video, go give me Edochie. Juju Ekwesu apology. You see this woman like person where you dey remorseful of what she did. If you rewind the time, Juju Ekwesu go still do am. Because now hungry and desperation, now he put am for there. As she dey now, if you not send money, come give am, she not go eat. Any woman that is like that, now once you told they know them, if you won't know them, now by childbearing. Every year now they born like rabbits. You know say rabbits, they don't get work. Now so they born every year. If you want no lazy and unuseful women, every year now they born. She said if they rewind the time, she will not do it again. No story for the gods. They say me Edochie and Blessing. They saw the video, they burst laugh. They say they not even answer them. They not even reply. Until that day when they give you. If you not pay, now Juju Ekwesu I go need. All those money when she shop, when body they shakan, they go release all that day. Hey. And according to wetin Blessing talk, Blessing say since yo is a social media odogu, if they go collect her money, she go record yo, put on social media. So that his fellow fans and his fellow supporters, they will see the real Odogwu in yo that very day. Wonder shall never end though. The last thing a man want to do is involve yourself with a liability woman. See the way they are using Juju Ekwensu head. Grandpapa just call and do a public apology. Do a public apology. If to say they threaten Juju Ekwensu, she for do one. She not get option. Do it or pack to your father's house. Grandpapa say make come up for your house. You see, see the way they just tell her leave the house. Fear go let them go tell me, she say leave the house. They not try. They dare not. They can't try it. But see the way they fling Juju Ekwensu. See the way they fling her. Say if you not do and they will throw her out of Abuja house. Hey, wonder shall never end though. May Edoche don't go reserve that Juju Ekwensu video recording as a evidence. Her husband, her so-called snatcher husband, say they are doing content. Now the woman don't confess, do video call. Only one go give me Edoche. God work in a miraculous way. Me Edoche go just sit down for her house. Everything go just every good thing go just the waka committee. You see this one if me Edoche just put am for court, what if finish here for you. Wonder shall never end. All the things where they won't do me Edoche bad, it has finally turned against them. See the way they are confessing publicly. If you see what Juju Ekwensu talk for that video, whether na out of frustration, because it look like that woman is really frustrated. If you hear what Juju Ekwensu they talk for that video, me Edoche don't reserve am. That woman is going through a lot. She's going through a lot in the name of keeping another woman's husband. Grandpapa thinks say na like this, now blessing go take forget money. Using Juju Ekwensu to apologize to me Edoche and the sister, una go pay everything, and in full cash. Now una go pay. Wonder shall never end. Leave your comments in the comment section. This is Mero True Life Story. God bless you.